Light and fluffy, who doesn't love it? Today, I'm going to share with you guys how to make my souffle pancake. It does require a little bit more effort than a normal pancake, but the result is simply delightful and I'm sure you guys will love it. So to get things started, let's whip up the cream first. Start by adding whipping cream, vanilla extract, and icing sugar in a mixing bowl and whip until stiff peaks. Transfer it into the fridge while you make your pancakes. To make the egg yolk batter, mix in all of the ingredients together. Egg yolks, vanilla, milk, cornstarch, and plain flour together until smooth. In another clean bowl, whip up egg whites and vinegar together until frothy. Then, gradually add in fine sugar and beat until stiff peaks. Transfer about a third of the meringue into the egg yolk batter using a whisk to stir. Then, transfer all of the egg yolk batter into the meringue bowl and gently fold in until both mixtures are well combined. Preheat non-stick pan to medium-low heat, making sure that it is slightly greased with a layer of oil. Then, pipe up a generous amount of pancake batter onto the skillet. Cover the pan with a lid and cook for about 7 to 10 minutes, making sure that the bottom is not burnt. Once the bottom is golden brown and the top part of the batter is dry, carefully flip over using a spatula. Cook for another 4 to 5 minutes until golden brown. Immediately transfer onto a serving plate. Garnish accordingly with whipped cream, fruits, and pancake syrups. So this is how you make my souffle pancake. As I mentioned earlier, it does require more effort to make these pancakes, and the crucial part to this recipe is that you need to know how to control the temperature well when cooking. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you love this recipe, be sure to subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagram at ZataYummy, and check out all my printable recipes at www.zhezhonghan.com. I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye! Be sure to check out all the printable recipes at www.thezhonghan.com.